I wanted to show you guys those plants and the yield they produced. Just a few plants from items that I got out of my cupboard. And this is a little garden plot I made. There's a little flower plot I made, but they start talking about all this stuff on TV, so I was like, I better start learning how to grow stuff that we can use. So I did. I grew some red beans, and I got them out of the cupboard in my kitchen. And this is what it did. Check this out. Look at that. One plant. Look at all of those beans in there, all the way around. The other beans in there. Plant in my front yard I grew. This is the second plant. See all of those beans laying down there? Here's the third plant. And look at all of those beans. I posted this on Facebook a few weeks ago. And then they started flowering and making, and after I plucked these beans off, you can already see more flowers ready to produce and more beans ready to sprout. And it's late in the fall season. Seasons are changing. I just wanted to show you guys some of my yield. I also grew some in the backyard, but I grew them in the little pot. I'll take a picture of that also.